Okay, this is the tractor door. You see this part right here? Okay, and this one you have to say a door handle. Okay, no vein, no crack, no broken, properly secure to the door and open and close freely. Okay, now we go to you see this one right here? Door hinges. Okay, door hinges. Okay, we have two right here. And then you say no vein, no crack, no broken, properly secure to the door and to the cab. And then we have door latch and door pin, this one. And you say no vein, no crack, no broken, properly secure to the door and to the cab. Okay, and then after that, you have to say open and close freely. Okay, you see this one right here? This is a rubber seal. It's around there, see? You say no abrasion, no cut, and properly secure to the cab. Okay, now this is the tractor door. Thank you.